So what's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. So guys, in this video we will be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro. So let's get started. So first we will talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro specs and all the things covering in the specs. So after that we will talk about its prices and should you buy it or not, it's worth buying or not. So the specs are, so the screen, first we will talk about its screen. So it is having 6.8 inches of screen and it is having Corning Gorilla Glass support. Corning Gorilla Glass support, and after that the screen pixels are of 1440 into 3040 pixels in it, and these are the pixels of the screen. After that it is having OS. Which OS it is having? So first of all it is having Android 9 Pie, which is the latest processor from Google. After that it is having Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor running on 7nm, and it will be available in two processors. The second processor is from Samsung itself. It's Exynos processor, so it will be having Exynos 9825 processor, and both runs on octa-core, and both are the octa-core processors. And after that it will be after that it will be available in two storages. The RAM will be same. The RAM will be of 12 GB of RAM, and the two storages are, the first one is of 256 GB of internal storage in it with 12 GB of RAM, and the second storage is 512 GB of internal storage and 12 GB of RAM. They are giving big storages and you can click pictures and all that stuff. First of all, I am just telling you that I have just posted on Instagram that if you are a graphic designer or something like that, architect, you need this phone because this will solve half of your problem. You can do some graphic designing and some of the stuff in your phone, and there are some apps available for that, and it also has that S Pen in it which gives you support to manage and to typically specifically select anything and everything on your phone. So make sure you. After that, let's come on to its camera. I'm cutting all the parts, but let's come on to its camera. So on the rear side it has the triple camera placement on the rear side. Please avoid the noises in the background. There are lots of noises, I understand that. Listen the noises. Forget it. So first of all, it is having triple camera on the back. The first one is of 12 megapixel of camera, and it is the wide angle camera with f2.4, and the second camera is also of 12 megapixel and it is telephoto lens, and it is having f2.2, and the third camera is of 16 megapixel and it is an ultra wide angle camera with f2.2 in it. Moving on to the front side, it is having 10 megapixel of front facing camera and f2.2 again. So after that it's having in-display fingerprint scanner also, which is the great technology. It is trending right now, so they have it. So yeah, moving on, it is having battery of 4300 mAh of battery, which will last you 1 day or even 1.5 days long. So depends on which type of battery they are using. It is LiPo battery. I think it will last you 1 day. If you are a designer, you work most from your phone, so it will last you for 1 day. Yeah, that's, I think, it. And yeah, these are the specs which are coming. So what about it? Is worth it or not? So if you are a graphic designer and an architect, I'm saying it again, you need this phone because this is the basic need of your work. You can slide the pen out and work from it, and it is the easiest way to work, and it comes under the price of 80,000 rupees. I think the 512 GB RAM variant is around 80,000 rupees. The And check out the description for the prices, because I am not sure about the prices. I haven't checked the prices out yet, so please check the description. I will be updating it there. So yeah, I think this will be the price of the 512GB RAM, and everyone can buy it. This is the basic phone that you can buy, not the basic but the best phone you can buy right now, because it's the Note lineup from the Samsung, and Samsung always present the good service, always present as the good service, and the service center and the customer experience is really nice with Samsung. I felt that the Note lineup and the flagship device from Samsung is this, and these are the specs. It is worth it in this price. It is worth it in this price, and absolutely you can buy it. The pre-orders are now available. You can check the description out if you wanna pre-order the phone. The website link will be on the description, or you can go to the default website of Samsung and you can buy it from there. You can pre-order now and they will ship you. Yeah. So you can buy this phone, and yeah man, what are you doing? If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification right next to the subscribe button, so every time I post the video you will be notified each single time. And if you like this video till the end, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and yeah, that's all. Subscribe. So we are moving on, and we have crossed 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, it's really great to cross 1,000 subscribers. We have opened the community tab, so I will be updating some things in community tab. Make sure you come and see the things in community tab, although it will come in your subscription section, and yeah, you can check it out there. Yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav, and like this, and I'm signing out.
It's never gonna be, never gonna be only good for you and me. This is never gonna be, no.